Hey, what's going on everyone? I'm Riley from 8 Ounce Coffee, and today we're introducing the M58 LUCCA Espresso Machine. The M58 is handmade in Italy by Quickmill in collaboration with Clive Coffee. If you don't know much about Quickmill, they've been making espresso machines since 1945. They use premium materials to make a quality product. With that being said, let's dive into all of the features on the M58. The M58 has that classic Italian sleek styling to the espresso machine with the polished stainless steel and all of the polished knobbing and portafilter accessories. This is the M58 dual boiler espresso machines. So we have dedicated boilers for both the steam wand and the espresso extraction. The M58 LUCCA espresso machine comes with the E61 group head, which is a sophisticated design meant to ensure even water distribution and water pressure throughout extraction. Both baristas and roasters alike really advocate for this group head setup. It just has been a phenomenal use for even espresso extraction and really quality results. This machine can also be lined in directly to a water line. That, in combination with the rotary pump, can ensure even extraction, even pressure, and even steam pressure. If you decide that you don't want to line in this espresso machine, it has a 3-liter removable water reservoir. This will allow you to pull plenty of shots and steam plenty of milk before refilling. If you decide to just use the water reservoir on the M58, it does have an auto shutoff valve to ensure that your espresso extraction won't be cut off, and same thing with your steam wand. The built-in PID, also functioning as a shot timer, allows us to set our temperatures for both our steam boiler and our coffee boiler as well. The steam wand itself has a 2-bar pressure capacity, so you can ensure that really tight microfoam for lattes and cappuccinos. By default, the M58 comes in the polished stainless steel, but if you'd like to have a little bit more fun with your color scheme and have a more personalized option for your home, this comes in black, and with the black model, both the hot water tap, the steam wand, and the portafilter comes with a wood accent rather than the black finish. But if those colors don't suit your needs, you can always get a more personalized color wrap that you can add onto the LUCCA espresso machine. Now that we know all the key features on the M58, let's make ourselves a cappuccino. So we're gonna be using our bottomless portafilter for this shot. I'm gonna go for a 2-to-1 recipe here. So we're gonna aim for about 19 grams in and 38 to 40 out. We're gonna do a little distribution so we get that even water extraction. Also gonna use our distribution tool to make sure an even espresso bed here. We're gonna tamp, do a little purge just to get some fresh hot water. Not totally necessary in the dual boiler M58 model, but just something that I do out of habit. We're gonna lock in our shot, and we're aiming for 38 grams. Again, something that we notice on the M58 model is we have that even 9-bar pressure for our espresso extraction. You can see we have no channeling, a really nice golden flow of our espresso. Just under 39 grams here at 29 seconds. We're gonna purge a little bit of that water and clean out our portafilter. It's time to steam some milk. I'm gonna be using the Oatly oat milk, actually available at 8 ounce here as well for our cappuccino. This has been probably my favorite milk alternative to work with. It steams very similarly to dairy, so I can get really accurate results even with a milk alternative. Here's your shot of espresso, looking great. Great crema on there as well. And let's get steaming. Something I really like about the steam wand as well is the insulated steam wand. I'm able to hold on to this the entire time, so I don't have to worry about getting burnt. Still want to be careful not to touch the tip of the steam wand though. So I'm gonna purge first, just to get all that condensed water out. We're gonna lift up and get our cappuccino going. We'll give it a final purge just to get any excess milk out of the steam wand. And see what we can do for latte art today. And there's a cappuccino on the M58. Oh, it's good coffee. Well, thanks everyone for joining us on the M58 demo today. If you're interested in picking up a LUCCA M58 of your own, it's available on our website, which you can find a link in our bio leading you there. Be sure to comment down below if there's any other reviews or coffee-related videos that you'd like to see from us. We also are posting regularly on our Instagram with all of our gear and other fun coffee things, so be sure to find us there. And we'll see you in the next video.